Claim: has FIFA banned the referee who officiated during Argentina vs Egypt WC match? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Several social media users have claimed that the match referee during Argentina vs Egypt in the round of 16 of the FIFA World Cup 2026 has been banned. Verified ex-user Imopinter shared such a claim with the caption, "Justin, the referee that officiated the game between Argentina vs Egypt has been banned due to poor officiating." Attached to the post is a graphic showing the match referee Francois Letexia in a FIFA 2026 yellow jersey with the word "banned" overlaid in large white letters. The post gained over 3.3 million views and can be seen here. Another claim suggests that the authorities investigated Francois Letexia's bank account and discovered that in the last 24 hours he received a mysterious payment of more than $500,000. View the post here.
Fact check.
Truth: the claim is false. Egypt legitimately complained and demanded action over some decisions taken by match referee Francois Letexia and VAR officials. However, there is no evidence, official statements or confirmation that FIFA has banned Francois Letexia. Digit India also found no evidence that French referee Francois Letexia's bank account was under investigation or that he received any mysterious $500,000 payments. Fact check details. Digit India decided to investigate these claims and found them to be false. Egypt did raise legitimate concerns and called for action over several decisions made by referee Francois Letexia and the VAR team. However, no official announcement, credible evidence or confirmation suggests that FIFA has suspended or banned Letexia. There is no evidence that his bank account was being investigated or that he received a suspicious $500,000 payment. The complaint also alleged double standards, arguing those decisions caused the Egypt team to lose the match and leave the World Cup. According to an Al Jazeera report, FIFA refereeing chief Pierluigi Collina defended the officiating team while dismissing allegations of bias. Collina also condemned the questioning of the officials' integrity after Egypt complained about the officiating following its defeat. Any claims about Francois Letexia's bank account being checked or any mysterious $500,000 payments are unsubstantial. Egypt has accused Francois Letexia and his officiating team of poor performance and VAR handling, not any financial corruption. Thus, the claims that referee Francois Letexia has been banned due to poor officiating or that he received any mysterious $500,000 payments are false. Claim: the referee who officiated the FIFA World Cup 2026 game between Argentina vs Egypt in the round of 16 has been banned. Conclusion: the claim is false. Egypt legitimately complained and demanded action over some decisions taken by match referee Francois Letexia and VAR officials. However, there is no evidence, official statements or confirmation that FIFA has banned Francois Letexia. Digit India also found no evidence that French referee Francois Letexia's bank account was under investigation or that he received any mysterious $500,000 payments. Rating: false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digit India.